Welcome. Are you facing challenges in your life that seem to stem from your living or working space? This video is for you. We'll explore how modern designs can sometimes create imbalances and how Vastu Shastra can help. Vastu Shastra is an ancient Indian science of architecture that focuses on harmonious living by aligning structures with natural energies. It's about creating spaces that support well-being and prosperity. In our fast-paced modern world, new architectural trends often prioritize aesthetics and functionality, sometimes overlooking the subtle energy flows that Vastu Shastra emphasizes. Many modern homes feature irregular shapes, misaligned entrances, or improper placement of rooms like kitchens and bathrooms. These can disrupt the natural flow of energy. Our reliance on technology, artificial lighting, and compact living spaces, while convenient, can sometimes create an environment that's out of sync with natural elements, leading to imbalances. When your living or working space is energetically imbalanced, it can manifest in various personal and professional challenges. Let's look at some common issues. Many people experience increased stress, anxiety, sleep disturbances, and even recurring health problems that can be linked to Vastu defects in their surroundings. You might also find yourself struggling with financial instability, lack of opportunities, or constant disagreements within the family or at work. These are often signs of energetic discord. This is where Fortune Vastu comes in. We understand the complexities of modern architecture and the subtle nuances of Vastu Shastra. We provide practical solutions to bring harmony back into your spaces. Fortune Vastu applies ancient principles, focusing on direction, elements, and energy zones to correct imbalances. We guide you on optimal layouts, color choices, and material selections. We offer personalized consultations to identify specific Vastu defects in your property. Our solutions range from simple rectifications to strategic rearrangements, always keeping your modern lifestyle in mind. Embracing Vastu Shastra with Fortune. Vastu means inviting positive energy and well-being into your life. The benefits are profound and transformative. Experience a significant improvement in your overall well-being, leading to greater peace of mind, enhanced financial prosperity, and stronger, more harmonious relationships. Let us help you transform your space into a sanctuary that supports your goals and nurtures your spirit. Create a home that truly feels like a haven. Don't let modern design inadvertently hinder your progress. Contact Fortune Vastu today for a consultation and start your journey towards a balanced, positive, and prosperous living space.